This is a Victorinox Farmer. This is the legendary multi-tool. I'm going to take a look at it right now. What does this tool offer? Well, it's a nice large blade. There's a can opener with a small screwdriver. There's a bottle opener with a larger flathead screwdriver and a wire stripper. And one of the coolest features is the saw. And last but not least, there's the awl. This is ideal for punching holes in juice cans. It'll also punch holes in leather, punch holes in anything you want. The saw is quite good. Easily chops up small pieces of wood. It's very handy. Why? Well, if you're making a campfire, it helps you chop up some small sticks. Okay, let's sharpen a twig with this blade. There you go. It's another spear for the punji pit. Okay, let's see this awl puncture a piece of leather. Christ, just eats into it. And there you go. Okay, let's try the small flathead on this screw. It's got some great torque. Not sure if it's built for very heavy duty stuff, but you know, get you out of a jam. The big flathead is ideal for replacing batteries and guitar pedals. There you go. Can opener. That's pretty basic. Probably take you a few minutes to get in, but once you're in, you're in. Especially if it's liquid. Not as fast as a proper can opener, but you know. You could try set the world record. Fastest Swiss Army knife can opener. It's not bad. Pins in the can. It's good enough. So the bottle opener. Unfortunately, I don't have any bottles open, but you know, I've used bottle openers out of lucky bags. And they work, so this one is definitely going to work. Let's check out the wire stripper. There you go, got it first time. Beauty. Yeah, this is a beautiful knife. The scales are Alox, aluminium oxide. It's just so nice, you just want to look at it all the time. There you go, Victorinox, Swiss made. High quality. If you're on the fence about one of these, just pull the plug, you won't regret it. I've had this 4 days and I just can't put it down. There's so many things you can do with it. Buy it, you'll love it.